Hello students, so today we are going to discuss about tenses. Okay, I've already made a video on that, but I found that you're having some doubt related with that. So again I'm making this video so that your concept will get clear and you will be able to understand that how to identify, okay, and how to deal with the tense. Okay, tense. So right now we are having the things which we are going to do today is I'm going to talk about the present tense, the past tense and the past continuous tense. That means simple past and past continuous tense. That how you are going to you can say how you are going to identify that the sentence is in simple past or in past continuous tense. Okay, and what are the rules and how you will be able to use that rule, that we are going to discuss, that I am going to discuss today. Fine, so let's get started with the things. Firstly I will talk about that. Basically tense means talking about the time. So we have divided the time zone, or you can say time, into three category. Simple, you can say past tense, present tense and future tense. Past which had already gone. Okay, now talking about the present tense which is going on, and talking about the future tense, that means which is about to come. Okay, that means suppose right now it is 8:15. Fine, so after that what will come? 8:20 will come. So 8:20 will be future tense right now. Okay, the thing is that right now it's 8:15. So 8:15 is what? 8:15 is the present time, and before 8:15 what was the time? The time was 8:10. So it was past tense. Fine, so the same thing we have to apply over here also. So let's get started with the definition, that what do you mean by simple past tense. So basically simple past tense is that something talks about, you can say something that happened at you can say some point in the past. Basically the things which had happened in the past, okay, that we consider it as a past tense, because that the things which you can say had already over. Fine, so we will say that is past tense. Fine, simple past tense, or you can say simple past. Fine, so in that category, in when we talk about past tense, we are having 4 divisions. Okay, and your syllabus you are having simple past and past continuous tense, but the past tense, or you can say simple present tense, or present tense or future tense, is being divided into 4 categories. So the first will be like talking about the past tense. So in past tense we are having simple past, then past continuous tense, then past perfect tense, then past perfect continuous tense. So the same case will be in present tense also. Simple present tense, you can say present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. The same case will be in future tense also. We are having you can say simple future, then future continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense. Fine, so what we have to do today, we are going to discuss about the simple past, the rules about simple past, and we will do one exercise based on that, and we will talk about, you can say, past continuous tense, and the same we'll do one exercise based on that. Fine, so let's get started with the first thing. So I told you the definition of you can say simple past. Simple past means basically the things, you can say, which had already you can say gone or got over. Fine, so see, basically in past what you have to do, there must be some, you can say, verb forms, okay, that must be given in the bracket. Fine, with that bracket you have, with that word we have to use the second form of verb. Okay, like suppose if eat is given, eat, EAT, so the what will be the second form of that? Ate, ATE, that we have to use in simple past tense. That means second form of the verb. Suppose if it is written in bracket write, the verb is write, so what will be the second form of the verb of write? Wrote, 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 that we have to use in simple past tense. So the simple rule is that whenever we are dealing with simple, you can say past tense, we have to use second form of the verb. Okay, firstly check out in the bracket that what is given. Okay, and then you have to convert it into second form of the verb. Fine, like you can say read, read, read. Okay, then enjoy, enjoyed, enjoyed. So we have to use the second form of the verb, V2. V2 means second form of the verb. I hope up to here that must be clear to you all. Okay, let's solve one exercise, then I hope that will get clear to you all. So suppose I am having the question that the family dash their evening at home. The family dash their evening at home. We are having the verb enjoy. So what is the second form of enjoy? So the answer will be enjoyed, ed. I have to add enjoyed, enjoyed. Again I am repeating the answer. The family enjoyed their evening at home. Simple. That means what I am talking about? I am talking about the things which you can say had already, you can say, happened. Okay, that you can say the things, you can say the event had already happened. Fine. So the family enjoyed their evening at home. So here the verb is enjoy. So the second form of the verb will be verb of enjoy will be enjoyed. Fine. Now next, see, Minnie dash a book aloud. Minnie dash a book aloud. In a bracket we are having option read. So see, in read the spelling will remain same, only you have to pronounce in different way. Read, read, read. Spelling will be same, R-E-A-D, but we have to pronounce read. So Minnie read a book aloud. Full stop. Granny dash to her. Granny dash to her. In bracket we are having you can say verb listen, L-I-S-T-E-N. So what will be the answer? The second form of listen will be listened. Listened. Ed, we have to add ed. L-I-S-T-E-N-E-D. Listened. Fine. Now next question. Minnie's little brother dash a flower. Minnie's little brother dash a flower. In bracket we are having option color. So the color will become second form of the verb colored. C-O-L-O-U-R-E-D. Colored. Fine. Now next, Papa dash tea and snacks for everybody. Papa dash tea and snacks for everybody. So in bracket we are having option make. So make is the first form of the verb, but we have to go with the second form of the verb. So what will be the answer? Make, made. M-A-D-E, made. So Papa made tea and snacks for everybody. Fine. One more exam question. Mummy dash on her laptop. Mummy dash on her laptop. In bracket we are having option work. So work will become worked. W-O-R-K-E-D. Worked. Fine. I hope you will be able to do any question related with simple past tense. Only what you have to consider, you have to consider the thing that you have to use the second form of the verb. Okay, that means the in bracket whatever word you are giving, whatever word they have given you, only you have to convert it into in the second form. Okay, that means the past form. Fine. I hope it is clear to you all. Now moving to the, you can say, past continuous tense. Talking about the past continuous tense, that means, you know, basically it talks about something that was happening at some time in the past. That means you can say in past that was going. See, in a simple past that the thing you can say had happened, already happened. Fine. But in past continuous tense, what happened in the past that was going on. Okay, that means still going on in past. So that we have to, you can say, what we are going to call it as, it is called as, you can say, past continuous tense. Fine. Now let's see the rules, what you have to do with this. This is very easy. Only the thing is that you have to use was or were. See, the rule is that either you have to use was, were or were plus first form of the verb plus ing. Now what is this? See, was or were, how you are going to use? Whenever we are talking about, you can say, past continuous tense, okay, we have to use was or were. Was is used for, you can say, if the question talks about only one person, then we have to use was. But if it is talking about more than one person, we have to use were. Remember that. If the question is talking about only one person, in that case we have to use was. If the question is talking about more than one person, then we have to use were. Remember that. Fine. Was or were. You have to choose two out of one. Okay. So you have to choose, out of two you have to choose one. That means we are having option was or were. That means out of two we have to choose one. Remember that. Now talking about the next thing. Okay. V1. Now what is V1? V1 means the things which is given in the bracket. Okay. Suppose you can say watch is given in the bracket, WATCH. So that I will write, but you have to add ing also. So watch will become watching. If in bracket a play is given, then play will become playing. That means ing. That is what the question is, that you have to use. The thing is that was or were. Okay. Then first form of the verb. Don't get confused with the V1. First form of the verb means the things which is given in the bracket. Okay. Anything. Only with that you have to add ing. Play will become playing. Write will become writing. Sleep will become sleeping. Dance will become dancing. Talk will become talking. Tell will become telling. Okay. I hope this is clear to you all. Now let's solve a question. Then I hope you will be able to understand that how to deal with the things. Okay. So we are having the question is that Rubab dashed in the swimming pool when it began to rain. Rubab dashed in the swimming pool when it began to rain. In bracket we are having swim. Okay. Now firstly what you have to do, you have to check out that whether the, you can say, subject, okay, in the sentence we are talking about how many person. We are talking about one person or more than one. I think so Rubab is one. So what we will use? Was or were? We have to use was. So write down Rubab was. Till here it is clear. Now moving towards V1. Now what is V1? What I told you, the things which is given in the bracket. So here what we are having swim. So write down swim as it is plus ing. That means swim will become swimming. So Rubab was swimming in the pool when it began to rain. Okay. Now let's do the next question that we are having. Fardeen dash television when the phone rang. Again, firstly find out that whether we are talking about one person or more than one person. That means more than one person, like 2, 3, 4. Fardeen means one. Talking about one, that means was will come, because was is used for talking about one person. So Fardeen was. Now in bracket we are having watch. So watch will become watching. So Fardeen was watching television when the phone rang. Fine. Now talking about the next question that we are having. See, Sameer dash while Neeta napped. Sameer dash while Neeta napped. In bracket we are having option paint. So firstly find out that Sameer is one or more than one. Sameer is one. So what will come? Was. So Sameer was. Now paint will become painting. 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 Okay. Now. Okay, fine. So see, next question. We dash in the garden. We dash in the garden. Fine. So in bracket we are having play. Firstly find out that we means what? How many person? 1, 2 or more than 2. So basically when we are talking about we, so we means it is talking about more than one person. So we, with we what will come? Were. We were. Okay. Now play will become playing. So we were playing in the garden. Okay. Now next question. They dash a letter. They dash a letter. Now again you have to check that whether it is talking about one person or more than one person. So they is basically more than one person. That means it is talking about you can say more than one person. So they, so what will come with that, with the with they, were will come, W-E-R-E, were. So they were, now they were dash or letter, so write, in bracket is given write, so write will become writing. So they were writing a letter. I hope you are getting what I am trying to say. Okay, only you have to remember the rules, nothing else. Fine. So only the things that you have to remember is rules. Okay, now again for a quick remind, I am going to tell you that basically when we are talking about simple past, you have to use the second form of the verb, V2. Okay, like eat will become ate, play will become played. Okay, then write will become wrote, then sleep will become slept. Okay, make will become made, color will become colored, listen will become listened. Okay, then enjoy will become enjoyed. That means second form of the verb, only second form of the verb. Okay, in simple past. Now when we are talking about you can say past continuous tense, that means what we have to use, we have to use either was or were. Now was will be used with when we are talking about one person, and were will be used when we are talking about more than one person. That means, okay, fine. And with that what we have to use, we have to use V1. V1 means the things which is given in bracket and ing. Suppose in bracket it is given sleep, sleep will become sleeping, eat will become eating, play will become playing, dance will become dancing. Okay, one more example with he, she, it. Remember that he, she, it is talking about one. He was playing, suppose she was dancing. Okay, now if name is given, then also if more than one name is given, more than one name, then in that case we are talking about whom, we are talking about more than one person. For that we have to use what, we have to use were. Fine. So I hope the concept of was, you can say that simple past tense, okay, rules regarding about that simple past tense and past continuous tense is clear to you all. Only what you have to do, only try to understand the rules, and you have to check out that whether in the question we are talking about one person or we are talking about more than one person. With that only you have to choose was or were. That means two out, that means we have to choose one out of two. Okay, so please go through page number 51 of your Living English book. We are having that, and future tense I will discuss in upcoming video. Fine. So please go through it. Again I am repeating the page number 51. So till then, thank you so much.